What's next? You quit. And I guess that's why are you here? Because you quit. You wanna know what to expect, what benefits will appear. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what I experienced after quitting porn addiction. Before I start, my name is Michael, and I chose my own path, the path of my passion. I teach men how to put their lives back together. A lecture of my life, my vision, education community. If you want to become a part of this community, become a member, subscribe. It really helps. Well, let's get back to the topic for today. I have Nose here with me, so I don't jump from topic to topic. I stick to one niche. The effects of quitting, benefits. First thing which arrived a few days after I quit was unexpected. I didn't know what will happen, so it was kinda new for me. What happened was that my mind was clear. My mind was clear. I had no thoughts jumping up there. I was just living in the moment. I was right here. It's my daily routine right now. I feel good, I must say. That's what will most likely happen. So, mental alert. Plus, it really helps with a deep work. If you want to learn more or be more productive, it helps because you can focus. Now I can focus on one single thing for hours. Hours. I can read a book for hours without feeling exhausted. Who else can do that? I never could. I never could do it. As far as I remember. Or I can edit as long as I want. Because editing is exhausting too, and that's my second point. Not exactly this, but your libido. My libido increased. And it's kinda funny. every time I do editing and I'm writing subtitles, my dick is fucking hard. I'm fucking aroused. While I'm writing subtitles for a video. What the fuck? It's dry. Man. This is just amazing. It's awesome. To make so much progress. So a little bit will increase. Because of testosterone, you don't ejaculate anymore. Alright? Or you don't ejaculate that much. So testosterone will naturally increase. Your voice will be deep. Your libido will increase. Your mind will be clear too. You're gonna feel like a monk. What's the next point? My new voice. Yeah, let's talk about a voice. What happens to your voice? Well, your voice will be deeper. After some time, I don't count days. Like after I quit porn addiction, these effects, these benefits will arrive naturally. And I recognized my voice is not the same as it was before. It's deeper. And when your voice is deep, or when your voice sounds deeper, you also talk with more conviction. Your voice is convincing. Because you don't talk like a little person anymore. High tone? No, fuck it. Manly voice. That's what you want. I know there are some exercises to deepen your voice. I did them last year. They worked a little, but then I quit doing that. It was boring. Now I can see that my voice is deeper, naturally. It's normal for men to have a deep voice. They have high testosterone. That was thing to fix. Thing to deal with. But addiction. When you quit addiction, this is what's gonna come next. So these are just few things I wanted to share. Message I wanted to share a value which I experienced by myself. I hope you took notes or you did some checklist. And to stay. And you, I hope you did some checklist during this video to really see when these benefits will arrive. That's all for now. Better yourself and stay true to who you are. See ya.